Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, I'm going to be reviewing my 1994 Hess toy truck. Now, you may have seen this truck when I was reacting to all the Hess truck commercials, and I showed you this. And now I'm going to be reviewing it. So, as you can see, this is my oldest Hess truck. Maybe you've heard that. Look, this one of the sirens doesn't even work. It only blinks one. Now, but every sound effect still works in this truck. Like the backing up sound still works. This is not really if you have this and like it doesn't sound like this, just remind me. This is my oldest Hess truck. The sirens still work. And the horn still works. And the blinkers still work. And, of course, and the lights kind of work except for that one siren. So this is the ladder. Now this ladder reaches very high. You pull it up, then you do this. See how high does it go? Hold on for a minute. So this is how high the ladder goes. It goes pretty high. Pretty higher than the normal fire truck. Hold on. Pretty higher than the normal fire trucks that Hess make. Not like the fire truck, the last one. What was their last fire truck? 2015, 2014? Pretty sure it was 2015. I'm not sure if it was 2015, the last fire truck. I know what it looks like. It's like a pickup. I have it. I don't like all of them. But, like, this is my, old, fire. This is my oldest Hess truck. Like, there's, like, I have two of these. Maybe the other one's siren works. Oh, yeah. There's, like, tape on the bottom of it, and you can see it right here. This is pretty old. Like you can see, look at the old fashioned wheels. Look at them. Look at the hubcaps. They're pretty old. Because this is like one of the oldest Hess trucks. So, alright guys, that's my quick review of my oldest Hess truck. The 1994 Hess fire truck. Alright guys, see ya in the next video. Maybe it'll be more of reacting to all the Hess truck commercials. Alright guys, see ya in the next video. Bye!